There's a lot happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. Weeds can quickly take over paths, fence lines and garden beds, making your garden look untidy. Don't let them go to flower and seed, otherwise they'll create future generations of weed headaches. Control weeds roots and all with a weed killer like Yates Zero. This 1 litre pack makes up to 250 litres of spray. Simply dilute it in a sprayer and spray the weed leaves until they're just wet. Lots of growth happens during the warmer months, which is a magnet for insect pests like aphids and caterpillars. So to protect your veggie patch and flowers, use a pyrethrum-based spray. Would you like to grow some plants for free? You can grow lots of different plants like lavender, rosemary, buxus, hydrangeas and buddleias from cuttings. Take 10 to 15 centimetre pieces of stem, remove all but the top few leaves, dip the stem ends into some hormone rooting powder or gel and insert into small pots of specialty cutting mix. Pop the pot in a warm position and keep the mix moist. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!